Once upon a time, there was a humble gardener named Ming who lived in a quiet village nestled deep within the heart of a lush valley. Ming was known far and wide for his extraordinary bamboo garden. While other gardens in the village boasted colorful flowers and fragrant herbs, Ming's garden was a sanctuary of bamboo. The villagers often wondered why Ming dedicated his life to cultivating bamboo, a plant that lacked the vibrant colors and fragrances of other gardens. They questioned his choice and sometimes even ridiculed him, but Ming remained undeterred. He knew something they did not. One day, a young boy named Dao approached Ming and asked, "Why do you tend to these plain bamboo stalks while others have gardens filled with beautiful flowers?" Ming smiled and invited Dao to sit beside him. He began to share his story. "Long ago," Ming began, "I was a struggling farmer, barely making enough to feed my family. One day, I came across a bamboo shoot growing in the wild. It was small and unassuming, just like me. I decided to bring it home and plant it in my garden." Ming continued, "Year after year, I watched the bamboo shoot. At first, nothing seemed to happen. It remained hidden beneath the soil, growing roots deep into the earth. But I had faith. I watered it, cared for it, and nurtured it." Dao listened intently as Ming's words flowed like a gentle stream. Then, something incredible happened. Ming continued. "In the 5th year, the bamboo shoot began to grow. And when it did, it shot up with astonishing speed. In just a few weeks, it soared to over 90 feet tall." Dao's eyes widened in amazement. "But why did it take so long to grow, and then suddenly shoot up like that?" Ming replied, "You see, Dao, bamboo spends years establishing a strong and intricate root system beneath the surface. It invests all its energy into becoming deeply rooted and resilient before it shows any growth above the ground. Once those roots are strong enough, it can grow taller and stronger than any other plant." Ming paused, gazing at his bamboo garden. "Life is like that bamboo, my young friend. Often, we invest time and effort in our dreams and passions, and it seems like nothing is happening. But just like the bamboo, we are growing strong roots. And when the time is right, we will shoot up to new heights." Dao nodded, beginning to understand the wisdom in Ming's words. Years passed, and Dao continued to visit Ming's bamboo garden, tending to the bamboo with care. He learned patience, perseverance, and the art of nurturing dreams. As he grew older, Dao became a respected gardener himself, with his own bamboo garden. One day, Dao shared Ming's story with a new generation of villagers, passing down the tale of the bamboo garden and its valuable lesson. It became a source of inspiration for the entire village, teaching them to have faith in their dreams, to cultivate resilience, and to remember that greatness often begins with strong, unseen roots. And so, the bamboo garden continued to flourish, not only in the valley but also in the hearts of those who believed in its profound message, that with patience, determination, and unwavering faith, we too can grow tall and strong, reaching for the sky like the bamboo that Ming had nurtured with love and care. Message in this story: the story of Ming's bamboo garden is a reminder that greatness often takes time and effort. Just like the bamboo, we must be patient and persistent in pursuing our dreams. We must also nurture our dreams with care and attention, just as Ming nurtured his bamboo. When we invest our time and energy into our dreams, we are building a strong foundation for success. We are growing deep roots that will help us withstand the challenges and setbacks that we will inevitably face along the way. So, don't be discouraged if your dreams don't come true overnight. Just keep watering, caring for, and nurturing your dreams, and one day, you will shoot up to new heights and achieve your full potential. So, what dreams are you cultivating? What seeds are you planting today? Remember, greatness takes time and effort. Be patient, be persistent, and never give up on your dreams.